Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate podcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a webhook, okay, with the help of Discord. So basically, if you are testing a blind cross scripting, and if you need an alert, okay, you can easily, freely, okay, get the alert, okay, by creating a Discord webhook. We can also create, okay, like webhook for Slack. We can also create a webhook for Telegram and many other application we can integrate, okay, that way, right? But today in this section we will be discussing about how we can create a webhook with the help of Discord. So for this we need a setup, okay, of this area like easy accesses. So example, if you go to easy accesses, this is the framework for blind cross-site scripting. So just simple go there. You can see easy access is an easy way for penetration tester and bug bounty hunter to test blind cross scripting. Okay, so we can set, okay, this part in our local machine like Kali, or we can set, okay, this part, okay, in our DigitalOcean server. हम इसको DigitalOcean और हमारे Kali setup करके locally भी install कर सकते हैं. Okay, that how it is the setup part. The next part, okay, like we need to focus here Discord. So in order to create a webhook, you need to first go to this add a server button, create your own server and select, okay, like either this or this. So I'm selecting for me and my friend. You select it, give the name and then create it. Once you create it, you will see the server name and everything here. From this button, this is called channels button, click on the plus button here like this, create a channel. Select, if you want to create a forum, you can create a forum, but for this accesses we will be selecting the text. Select the text from here and then give the name of the particular channel. Once you are done with this part, you will see the channel's name here like blind accesses, easy accesses. So likewise you can create a multiple channel, okay, same way for a different purpose. Now in this case, suppose if I click on this area, this is for create channel. If I click on this button, that is called edit channel. When you click on the edit channel, there will be an option called integration. You can go to the integration. You can see clearly we have a webhook button. You can simply click on this button and create a webhook. That's how you will create a webhook, okay, specifically for Discord. And now you can integrate, okay, this webhook function. If there is any framework, if this function is available, you can add those link and automatically you'll be getting a alert, okay, under this area. So that part I'll discuss, okay, in this upcoming video. If you are new to the channel, okay, you can simple go to this Hacker Associate and basically register a free account with us, okay, and basically learn a lot of good technology a weekly basis. So here we have a LinkedIn. You can simply click on the LinkedIn. We have 115k plus people have joined our community. If you want to find me, you can find me from this button. Just go and search Harshit Shah from here LinkedIn and find me here. So every week we conduct a live webinar, events, AI, ML, red teaming and many other things. Every week we are coming up with, okay, if you are want to learn this thing for free, you can join this particular community and stay updated, okay, with us. That's all for this section. I will see you in the next video regarding how we can get an alert. Okay, I'll just show you, okay, on the live application and we'll understand about this easy accesses framework. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.